Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car's been upgraded to feature tinted windows, but also has advanced grip control with hill descent. Now the grip control gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. The car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 21,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.